Hey everyone! Today we're diving into the world of wig care. We've got 4 cool tricks to bring your wigs back to life. Deep conditioning, leave-in conditioner, keratin treatments, and a bit of hair dye magic. Let's see which one does the best job. First off, our wig today really needs some love. It's super tangled and dry. We'll split it into 4 sections to try out our different methods. For the deep conditioning, we're slathering on a thick hair mask without combing through to avoid damage. We'll let it soak in warm water and see how it does. Next, the leave-in conditioner. We're going to drench the wig with it. And then, for a little extra help, use a flat iron to seal in the goodness. Then, we've got the keratin treatment and hair dye for the other 2 sections. Keratin's great for smoothing and shining, and we'll see if dyeing can add some life back too. After we've given all these methods a go, we'll line them up and see which one wins out. Here's my quick take on each. Thank you for tuning in. Whether you're a seasoned stylist or just starting, I hope this video serves as a helpful guide. Until next time, take care and keep styling.